Hello everyone, this is Dr. Lakshmi Priya, Commerce Department as an Assistant Professor in Karpagam Academy of Higher Education, Coimbatore. I am handling Business Studies. So in the last session, we have seen characteristics of management. Full and full focus towards the management, how the management should be in an organization, how the manager should be in an organization. So today we are going to see objectives of management. What is the importance of management in an organization? What is the nature of management? And some of the functions of the management. And finally, we are going to see the levels of management. This is the first topic that we are going to see. Objectives of management. Actually, it contains three elements. One is organizational objectives. Second one is social objectives. Third one is personal objectives. Okay. The first one is organizational objectives. In this, the management, that is the manager's job is to setting up goals. He has to set up his goals, organizational goals, and achieving the goals. The very first step is organizational objectives. So the task, everything goes to management. This management committee should set up the goals, and also he has to pave the way to achieve the goals. So in this sector, he has to concentrate both organization and workers, isn't it? So the next one is social objectives. So social objectives in this, all the focus towards the obligation of the society. That is, he has to concentrate the standard of living of the society. Next one is personal objectives. So the name personal implements the workers in an organization. So in an organization, it contains of so much of workers. They may be called as laborers, supervisors, faculties, so staff members, in any kind of name. So in this case, personal objectives means both the organizational objectives and the human being, that is workers' objectives, should be matched in the same path. So this is said in the objectives of management. The next topic is importance of management. These are the side headings that we are going to see. This is helps in achieving goals, increases the efficiency, dynamic organization, tackling competition, develop team spirit, helps in achieving personal objectives, helps in development of society, effective communication. Let us explain detailedly. The very first one is the management helps in achieving the organizational goals. What will be the organizational goals? That is, every organization wants to increase their production, that is output. They want to sell their products in a good price. So good price, high price. So whenever the production increases, automatically there will be a good profit they get. So the profit also will be high. This is the main objective of the organization if the management performs very well. So the second one is it increases the efficiency of the workers. Okay. What is the main aim of the workers? They need salary. So in order to get salary, definitely they have to work in a good manner if there is a proper management. Next one is dynamic organization. So in every organization, we have to face some external environmental factors. That is, environmental factors or political, social, economic. So these factors always create a negative for the organization. So the organization should tackle all these things like political, social, economic. Whenever the changes occurs outside, the management also has to take a prompt action to overcome such difficulties. Next one is tackling the competition. So without competition, our life is also very waste, and also in the industry definitely we have to face competition. Then only it gets interesting, and also we can move on to the next level. Okay, so we have to tackle the competition. Next one is develop team spirit. If the management is in a proper way, definitely there will be a unity among the workers. If there is a unity, definitely there will be a harmonious relationship between the workers. That is peaceful environment. Okay, harmonious relationship among the workers. Next one is helps in achieving personal objectives. It denotes the workers, the laborers, the staff members, the faculties, those who are working in the organization, the supervisors, everyone. So what will be their main objectives? So their main objective is they need a good amount of salary, and then in the institution they need a recognition, and later on they need promotion. So recreation, they also need some training program, workshops for the upliftment of their life in the organization. So this one says helps in achieving personal objectives. Next one is helps in development of the society. So it denotes due to the management there is an upliftment standard of living of workers, customers. By utilizing their services, by utilizing their product, everyone is going to get advantage. So that is called as upliftment of the standard of living of the workers and customers. Finally, there will be an effective communication. If the communication is proper, definitely there will be a good situation in an organization. So it may be upward from top level to low level, maybe downwards, okay, in the sense. Next topic is nature of management. It contains 3 elements. We are going to find out what is the relationship between management and science, management and art, and also management and profession. So there are 3 elements in this. The very first one is management is a science. So the management is as like a science. Let us have a relationship. Let us find out what is the relationship between science and management. So the science, it contains full and full knowledge. We have to follow certain rules and regulations. It's nothing but the principles that we have to follow, then only we can achieve in science subject. Next one is it also contains some theories. So in the management also, definitely the manager should has some capacity of knowledge, then only he can apply in the critical situation when the organization faces, the labor faces. Okay, this is principle. So various authors have written various principles and theories. When we applying all these theories, definitely the institution will be in a good manner. The next one is management is an art. So art is full of creativity. Okay, designing, creativity, a timing sense, like that. So art is nothing but application of knowledge, some creative thought, a design thing or something. It differs from person to person. One person has got some some creation, so it differs from person to person. In the same sense, it is also applicable for the management. Let us see how. So the management has to apply the knowledge in creative thinking. So different managers takes a different situation. Different managers faces different situation. So based on that, they have to take different decisions. So the third one, no. First one is management is a science. Second one is management is an art. Third one is management is like a profession. So who are all the persons who comes under profession? Actually, the word profession denotes service renders. Service renders. Who are all the service renders? Doctors, lawyers. So they do have some social responsibility. They have to safeguard the society. So as like this, the manager also have to safeguard the institution, the workers, and also society in the sense customers. So in this topic we have seen management is a science, management is an art, and management is like a profession. Next topic is functions of management. It contains 5 headings. One is planning, second one is organizing, third one is staffing, fourth one is directing, and fifth one is controlling. Let us see elaborately. The very first one is planning. This is the primary function of any organization, any event, any task. So without planning, we cannot get success in any task or something. So in this planning, no, we have to apply some mental tactics, some strategy we have to apply. So definitely there must be intellectual staff members. We have to apply foresight sense, that is while taking any action, while doing any planning, what will be the consequence of such planning, what will be the impact of such incident. So in this sense we have to plan. So next one is definitely the manager should have the imagination power. Okay, so consider about the social judgment. So for planning in the institution, they have to priorly prepare some timetables, some schedules. Based upon the objectives, they have to prepare the tentative timetables, the schedules, and who are all the persons, what they are going to do in their department. So should decide what to do, when to do, and how the task is going to be done, and who is going to do that performance. So all these comes under planning. The next one is organizing. That is fixing the authority and responsibility in an organization. So the organization must contain so much of departments, maybe purchase department, sales department, marketing department, research and development department. So all these things. So in this case we have to give importance for authority and responsibility. See, for an example, we take some purchase department. In this sense, there will be some senior persons or the persons who are experienced, no. So, or else they must be in a ability to give direction. So, to that sense, we have to give authority, and there will be some subordinates. So, assigning duties to the workers. So, based on the capacity, we have to assign the work to the laborers or something, staff members or something, who is eligible, who has an ability to do such things and all. So we have to find it. Next one is delegation of authority. Delegation of authority is an interesting one because in an organization, in each and every department, no, the boss only should not do all the thing because he has so much of work. So in that sense he has to delegate, he has to give his power to his subordinates, let them take decision, let them do the task. That is called as delegation of authority. Okay, that is handovering their certain powers to their subordinates. Then only they get they also do have some confidence. Next one is staffing. So staffing is it contains recruitment, selection, training and development, appraisal of performance. So recruitment in the sense applying for the job. So definitely while call for an organization, any jobs or something, definitely we will have so much of applications from the candidates. So we have to select who is eligible, who has got much more ability, experienced person or dedicated person in the sense. So we have to select the candidates, and then they need some training and development. Based on our organization, we have to give some seminars, workshops or something. We have to give training and development for their upliftment. And appraisal is nothing but periodically we have to check the performance of the candidates. So the next one is directing. So it contains guiding the subordinates, guiding the workers. Once the task has been given to the workers, definitely we have to guide them because they might have some doubts. Next one is supervising. So it's like same like guiding only. We have to do some follow-ups our subordinates. So influencing and motivational factors. Without influencing factors, without motivation factors, there won't be success. So motivation is nothing but we have to motivate our subordinates how their performance or something. Okay. Next one is leadership. Definitely the manager should possess the leadership like democratic or autocratic, somewhat style he possesses. So communication, the strong communication, always the strong communication must pass out from top level, like upward level or down level or horizontal level or vertical level or something. The next one is controlling. Controlling means checking and verifying how the process has been done by the workers. There may be some deviations and corrective actions has to be taken by the manager. That comes under controlling. So in this session we have seen objectives of management, importance of management, what is the nature of management, like there is a relationship between science management, art management, professional and management, and finally we have seen functions of management. So the function, so it contains planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So these are the contents which we had seen this session. The next session we are going to see coordinating. Thank you.